everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aries. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the month of December. I have already put out the cards. I have added oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So yeah, stay tuned. And before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out what is coming up for the Aries people for the month of December. Let's start with the tarot first and then we're going to take the oracle cards as we proceed with the reading. So let's see what is happening for you in the month of December. Let's find out. Wow, Ten of Pentacles paired up with the High Priestess and Six of Swords. I do see you have a beautiful month of December with the people that you love, with the people that you care about. Especially if you are married, if you are in a committed relationship which is happy and fulfilling, it's going to be the most beautiful month of the year for you. I do see that you will be spending a lot of happy times with your friends, family, and the people that you love and care. Basically. For some of you, you might be traveling to see your family. If you are living away from the family, maybe you are going to be traveling as the holiday times come comes around the Christmas time. Maybe you would be traveling to see them, so you're going to be spending a lot of time with your friends and family for holidays, for that purpose. I feel like for some of you, you might be planning some sort of a vacation with the loved ones. Even if you are in a relationship with a specific someone, you might be planning to travel to see that one person, or somebody could be coming towards you as well in the month of December, where you can have a beautiful time together with the specific someone. I do see there are babies in this cards as well. So maybe for some of you, you would be uh, you know um, if you are meeting somebody new, I feel like there is a strong potential, or there is a strong chance of you having a baby with that one person. One thing, plus that new person could be already either married or committed, or have babies with someone else as well. But if this connection happens for you with that one specific someone, that person is going to be a good potential partner. Why? Because I feel like that person is somebody who is very family oriented person. uh, I don't know what happened, why they would be looking for the second connection, second relationship. Maybe their wife, their husband passed away or something like that. But that person is definitely going to be somebody who's going to be the best father, best parent to your kids. If you have kids, or if they have kids, that person really loves their kids. So I feel like it's going to be a very family oriented kind of a month for you. um and it's going to be like you will be having a lot of fun time in the month of December. I do see you connecting to your higher self a lot, especially around the mid of the month time. I do see that you will be feeling aligned to have and to do whatever you desire to do. You will be finding that everything is smoothly working out well for you, like be that in love life, work life, home life situation, everything is going to be like a blessed thing for you in the month of December. You will have, that vibe within you, like, where you are feeling as if you're just going the more you, it's more like, very abundant kind of a month for you. The month of December is going to be like that kind of a thing, like a blessing. I feel like, you will be blessed with lots of blessings in your life. Whatever it is that you feel like, you are unlucky in, love, work, career, finances, any situation. If you feel like you are unlucky, you are not, you always have obstacles in your life, this month is going to be the game changer for you. If you feel that way, you really have to connect yourself to your higher self, to your God, to the divine that you believe in. That's going to be the key to whatever you want, whatever you desire, whatever you wish for. You will be having the guidance towards the right path forward, so you could leave behind what is toxic, leave behind what is turbulent, leave behind what was uh, you know um, not fulfilling, and you will be continuing moving forward towards the life that is easy, fun, happy, and fulfilled. So I do see that you especially if you are suffering, or if you are dealing with any issues in your life right now, the key to that to get rid of those energies, those negativities from your life, is connecting yourself to the God that you believe in, connecting to your higher self, connecting to your to the nature itself. It's going to be very beneficial for you. Let's see the clarifier for all these cards here. If you are completely single right now, I feel like you have a strong chance of meeting somebody while seeing your or visiting your family, or maybe visiting a family of somebody that you know, maybe your colleague, maybe they invite you somewhere, and that's going to be the time where you are going to meet a new person in your life there. And I feel like if there is there is this one thing in this meeting, in this vibe that I'm picking up here. If you meet somebody during this time in the month of December, and you are not committed to that person, there's a strong chance of you committing to them and they committing to you in the connection. Because the vibe is going to be so beautiful, the vibe is so fulfilling right now around that one gathering is what I'm picking up. So if you are single, try to go out and be attending the events if you could, so you could be in that positive vibe where you could attract the right kind of person for yourself. And if you are in a relationship, I do see that there is a strong chance of you meeting your person. You might be traveling to see them, they might be traveling to see you as well. And that meeting is going to be like a blessing for the two of you in this connection. And I feel like you won't have any issues planning the meetup. Why? Because it's like divinely protected in one way or the other. With the high priestess here, they will be like I like I said, everything is going to be falling into place for you without you putting much effort into it. So I do see some beautiful changes coming up for you in the month of December in all areas of your life. You will be feeling a lot more stable in each and every way. You will be feeling balanced in your life after maybe a long time. Then we do have Ten of Wands, Eight of Cups, and the I call it the Devil, or the card where you basically see through yourself, like your fears, what has been stopping you, what has been keeping you stuck. I feel like if you are still suffering, and if you are still like on the verge of having a new you unleashed, the inner power unleashed, it's time for you to do that. It's time for you to take the mask off that you might have been keeping on yourself just to please a certain group of people, maybe your family, maybe your friends. Just take the mask off, be who you are, go with what your heart is asking you to go for, and follow what you believe in. And that's how you will be having a new you, a new abundant life. And then there's no going back to old ways of dealing with things, which was burdensome, which was toxic, which was not satisfying at all. So I do see like you really have to work towards those things which make you feel good about yourself. Again, connect to nature, connect to God. That's going to help you a lot if you are suffering in any way in your life right now. I do see you meeting your life partner this month time, if you are single. And if you have been running away from relationships because of the bad past experiences, again, it's time for you to let go of that. Don't hold yourself back because of bad past experiences in your love life. It's time for you to put the guards down. Like I said, go out and meet new people, make new friends, and then you are going to prepare yourself for a beautiful future with specific someone new in your life, if you're willing to go for that. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Sanctuary, take time out from the world, spend more time alone, meditate, or go on a retreat. If you are suffering, heal yourself first by doing that what it says. Take some time out, meditate, be alone, and try to heal yourself. Try to know what do you want, try to know the real you, try to connect to your higher self and see what it guides you towards. And then only go out and try to make new friends for yourself, who bring you happiness, who bring you who accept you, love you the way you are. And then we do have nature. Ground yourself, find a sanctuary in nature, connect with the elementals. Like I said, you really have to connect yourself to your higher self, plus nature as well is going to be very good for you during this time. heal yourself if there are certain things that you are, still carrying along from the past. It's time for you to let go of those negative emotions, leave them behind. Then we do have heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. You really have to accept yourself the way you are. Have heart to heart conversations with the people that you meet. Don't pretend to be somebody else because of your past experiences with certain so and so. Try to be as genuine as you could, and again, like, ground yourself and know who you truly are by connecting to your higher self. Let it guide you towards the right kind of people in your life. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. If you are single, or if you have been single for quite some time, take some sort of guidance, help coming from the friends of yours. Try to get, have get together with your friends so you could, meet the right kind of people. Maybe visiting them could make you meet the right one over there as well. So just be mindful of that. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Try to become positive about love life again. I feel like, somehow with the past experiences, maybe you have become so rude, um in terms of, not rude but dry, in terms of accepting love as real. So you really have to stop, blaming love as if it doesn't exist. Stop doing those, kind of self talks to yourself as well. Just focus on love and try to see love in everything that you do see around yourself. Do something for someone, give your attention to another. Number 41. So try to do some sort of charity during this time, spending some time out in the nature or playing with the animals and birds, or talking to birds and angels could be very lucky for you as well. And try to do some sort of donation or charity during this month time. It's going to be like, taking your vibe from low to high as well. Move, enjoy clear hearing. Number 43. If you could connect yourself to your God higher self and meditate out in the nature, it's going to be very beneficial for you. You will be getting a lot of messages that's going to take you towards the right path. Like I said earlier, mauve color is going to be lucky for you in terms of clothing, in terms of jewelry, in terms of, like, lighting the candles of, mauve color is also going to be good. Amber, you can also wear the stone amber if you are into gems and stuff. Awaken your creativity. Number 15. Create, if you have, passion regarding anything, any art, you could pursue that as well. It's going to be a, it's going to be a heightened time. Again, the key here would be connecting yourself to your higher self and meditating and, like, healing yourself. If there is something that you need to heal within you, do that first, and then do the, other things, like, go out and start meeting people, start being positive more than anything else. And then let things, let the guidance coming from the gods, heavens and earth guide you towards the right path that's going to lead you towards the happiness and abundant life that is waiting for you. It's all about, like, you tapping into that powerful you. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you in the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.